You think you're free. No rules, no boss, no deadlines. Just you, your phone, your freedom, and your slowly dying potential. But let me tell you the truth. Freedom without discipline is not freedom. It's just a beautiful prison. You're not living. You're drifting. And the worst part? You chose this. The illusion of modern freedom. You were told, do whatever makes you happy. Follow your passion. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. And now, you wake up at noon, scroll for hours, chase dopamine, and call that freedom. That's not freedom. That's slavery to your impulses. When every day blends into the next, when there's no growth, no direction, you haven't escaped the system. You've become your own prison warden. Because true freedom isn't doing what you want. It's having the strength to do what you must. Why discipline is the foundation of real freedom. You want to build something? You want a body you're proud of? A mind that's sharp? A life that has meaning? Then discipline is not optional. It's required. Discipline is what sets the builders apart from the drifters. It's what turns pain into power, weakness into focus, chaos into structure. You don't need more motivation. You need rules. You need order. You need to say, I don't care how I feel. I do what needs to be done. Because without discipline, every freedom becomes poison. Freedom to eat anything? Diabetes. Freedom to skip the gym? Weakness. Freedom to waste time? Regret. Structure creates freedom. From comfort to consequence. Let's be real. Most people today aren't suffering because of poverty. They're suffering because of excess. Too much comfort. Too much stimulation, too little struggle. They've been handed fake freedom, a world of endless choices, zero direction, and they're drowning in it. But here's your wake-up call. You don't need more comfort. You need a mission. You need to choose discomfort on purpose, before life chooses it for you. Discipline is painful, yes, but it's a pain that builds. The pain of no discipline? That one destroys. You want to be free? Then earn it. Freedom is the reward for self-control, not the excuse for avoiding it. Burn the fake comfort. Rebuild your life with structure. Choose pain with purpose. And watch your real freedom rise from the ashes. Because at the end of the day, you are not weak. You are just too soft. And softness doesn't survive.